Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out of Uber account. So are you ready to take a break from Uber app or switch accounts? Okay, I'd like to let you know that logging out is quick and easy, but if you're unsure where to find the option, I've got you covered. I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to log out of your Uber account using the latest version of the Uber mobile app. The first things first that you need to do is to go ahead and tap on the Uber app icon to launch it on your smartphone. Make sure that you are connected to the internet so everything loads smoothly. Once the app opens, look in the bottom right corner of the screen and you see a small icon that looks like a person's head and shoulders. That's your account section. So just go ahead and click on the account section, tap on it to continue. Now that you're in this window, that is the account area, look for the settings option. It is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. So go ahead, or in the middle, actually the second option here. So go ahead and tap on settings and it's going to take you to the settings screen, which we have here. Now inside the settings menu, you have a couple of options. Okay, you have a couple of options here, and one of the options that you find if you scroll all the way down is the sign out option. Okay, so go ahead and click on sign out. All right, and once you click on sign out, right there, sign out, Uber will ask you to confirm before logging out. Just go ahead and tap yes or log out or whatever it shows you, or sign out to confirm, and voila, you signed out of the Uber app. So that's it. You've successfully logged out of the Uber account. The app will return you to the sign-in screen where you can either log back in or switch to a different account. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.